Hello to all of you. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Electronics Engineering. My name is Ria Pal, and in this video we are going to learn about NOR logic gate. Now before I get started, let me tell you NOR logic gate is a universal logic gate. This means you can generate any logic gate using this particular NOR logic gate. Now on the screen you can see the symbol and output expression. Before I tell you about this, let me tell what is the meaning of symbol. Symbol means anything how it looks like. Okay, that is called a symbol. And output expression means it is the output equation. Expression you call it or equation, both means the same. It actually relates the input and the output together. Now see, in the diagram, I have two inputs A and B. Input are marked as A and B, and output is marked as Y, capital Y. And there is a bubble at the output side. The circular portion, I hope you can see on the screen, the circular portion towards the output side is called as a bubble. What this bubble indicates is the inversion. Okay, it inverts the result, output result. So y equal to a plus b, the whole bar means inversion. Okay, in OR gate, in OR gate you will not see this bubble. The opposite of OR gate is this NOR gate, and there is a bubble at the output. So the expression is a plus b. A plus b means whatever the input I am taking, a plus b the whole bar. Okay, now if the input in place of a, if I write x, in place of b, if I write l, so output y equal to x plus l bar. I hope how to write the output expression or the output equation you have understood this. Y equal to a plus b bar. Whatever the input is named as, that is not the matter. Addition of those input and the whole bar, that is the main function of the NOR gate. Now on the screen you can see the definition of NOR gate. If you want, you can pause this video and you can jot down this particular definition. This is a technical definition of NOR gate, but let me tell you how this NOR gate works. That is given as the definition. Okay, so basically NOR gate will give you the output if and only if both the inputs are at low logic level. I will repeat once again. NOR gate will give you a high value if and only if both the inputs given to the NOR gate or applied to the NOR gate are at low logic level, that is at 0. So on the screen the definition is written as a logic gate which gives high logic output when all its inputs are at low logic level. In this video, I am taking example of two input NOR gate. Now remember, there can be any number of input, 2, 3, 4, 5, anything, but output will be only one, which is expressed as capital Y. Always remember this particular information. Now truth table, this is a tabular form which relates input and output. This is called as a truth table. Now what this truth table says is, first we will make column A, second we will make column B, and third column is the output column. Okay, now column A is 0 0 1 1. We will write 0, two zeros back to back, so 0 0, and 2 1 back to back, so 1 1, so 0 0 1 1. In the second column, how we will write is, we will write 0 1 0 1 alternately. Okay, 0 1 0 1 alternately, and always remember you need to start from 0. You need to start writing from 0. Why? Because 0 is a low logic which is considered, so it is always preferred to start from the low logic. 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 1. So the two columns of A and B are done. Now I already said that NOR gate will give the high output if and only if the two inputs are at low logic level. Hence, the output column, okay, that is nothing but represented as capital Y. Remember, I told you during the output expression Y is equal to A nor B. A nor B is also written as A plus B the whole bar, as you saw on the previous screen. So for 0 0 combination, since A is 0, B is 0, both the inputs are 0, both the inputs are at low logic, output is 1. For the rest of the combination, 0 1 1 0 1 1. Here, any one of the two inputs are at high, so output is low. Here, the last combination, C 1 1 1 1 means both the terminals, terminal A and terminal B, both are high logic. So since both are at high logic, output is 0. Okay, so this is the tabular representation of the NOR logic gate. Okay, I hope you understood this video and whatever I taught. If you like this video, please do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is Electronics Engineering. Thank you and have a nice day.